The Pythagorean theorem is a fundamental principle in geometry that describes the relationship between the sides of a right-angled triangle. It is named after the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras. The theorem states, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here, a and b are the lengths of the two legs, the sides that form the right angle of the triangle, and c is the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle. In essence, the theorem tells us that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. This relationship can be used to determine the length of one side of a right-angled triangle if the lengths of the other two sides are known. The Pythagorean theorem has numerous applications in various fields, including physics, engineering, and computer science, and it forms the basis for many other mathematical concepts and theorems.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.